নমস্কার, গুড ইভিনিং 91.9 फ्रेंड्स एफएम। আমি হচ্ছি অনিমেষ। সানডে ইভিনিং শুরু হয়ে গেছে, রবিবার কি শাম সিতারো কে নাম। আর আজকে আমাদের সঙ্গে আছে none other than very talented actress মৌবানি সরকার। মৌবানি, ফার্স্ট অফ অল a very warm welcome to
হাই,
your 91.9 फ्रेंड्स एफएम। কেমন আছো?
আমি খুব ভালো আছি and I'm really enjoying the fact that I can reach out to everybody through this wonderful medium. খুব excited লাগছে and I'm really enjoying the Sunday evening and I think we're all getting friendlier
Yes.
and it's feeling awesome.
ওয়াও, সুপার, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ মৌবানি। আমি জানি খুব ব্যস্ত ছিলে, লাস্ট ফিউ ডেজ খুব ব্যস্ত ছিলে। তোমার মুভি রিলিজ হয়েছে, কংগ্রাচুলেশনস। দারুণ রেসপন্স পাচ্ছি আমরা। দারুণ তোমার ক্যারেক্টার,
Thank you so
শুভেচ্ছাকে
much.
সবার খুব ভালো লেগেছে। একটু এক্সপিরিয়েন্স শেয়ার করো, আমরা
Thank
সবাই
you.
জানতে চাই কেমন লাগলো ফার্স্ট ফার্স্ট মুভি আফটার লকডাউন বলতে গেলে। এই প্যান্ডেমিকের পরে প্রথম
Right,
মুভি যেটা তোমার রিলিজ হয়েছে, একটু যদি শেয়ার করো প্লিজ, কেমন ছিল
right.
এক্সপিরিয়েন্স?
Actually, I was very emotional during the whole phase of lockdown, and I was really connecting with my audience. And I felt as a performer that every performer has been feeling like a bit of claustrophobia during this entire phase of lockdown. আর যেই নাকি লকডাউন শেষ হয়ে গেল, আই এম ভেরি হ্যাপি, লাইক উইথ দ্য গ্রেস অফ গড আমার এই ছবিটা রিলিজ করলো। এবং এখানে যে আমার চরিত্র শুভেচ্ছা, আই থিঙ্ক ইটস আ রেভলিউশনারি character because she's very feminine, but then she creates a protest in a very mild way and a very effective way. এবং এই যে শ্রীলতা হানির পরে আমি যে টিমকে পেয়েছি, রেশমি মিত্র ডিরেক্টর এবং এত সুন্দর স্টার কাস্ট, সবকিছু মিলে দ্য টাইম ওয়াজ ভেরি এনজয়েবল। অ্যান্ড আমি বিং আ মিস ইন্ডিয়া, আমি সবসময় চেষ্টা করি টু ডু প্রজেক্টস যেখান থেকে আমরা মানুষের জীবনটাকে সংশোধন করতে পারি। উই নো দ্যাট রেপ ইজ আ হরেবল ক্রাইম, এবং আমার খুব ভালো লেগেছে যে অ্যান্টি রেপ মুভমেন্ট হিসেবে আমার মনে হয় শ্রীলতা হানির পরে ইজ আ ওয়ান্ডারফুল সাবজেক্ট, যেটার ওপর মল্লিকা সেনগুপ্ত নভেল এবং আজকে একটা ফিল্মও হয়ে গেছে। সো ইট ওয়াজ আ রিয়েলি ওয়ান্ডারফুল অপরচুনিটি দ্যাট আই কুড ডু সামথিং being a woman for a woman. So it really felt very power packed because firstly the lockdown got over and then my first release and it was a bumper response. আমি আমার ফ্রেন্ডসদের সবাইকে বলবো যারা সেদিন আমার সাথে প্রেজেন্ট ছিল, সাপোর্ট করেছে যারা যারা, এবং all my admirers, I am so thankful for the tremendous response, love and support, কারণ this movie is really doing very well.
একদম ঠিক বলো। তোমার ফার্স্ট রিঅ্যাকশন কি ছিল? হোয়াট ওয়াজ ইউর ফার্স্ট রিঅ্যাকশন যখন রেশমি তোমাকে বললো কি শুভেচ্ছার ক্যারেক্টার তোমাকে করতে হবে, তুমি যখন স্ক্রিপ্ট পড়লে, স্টোরি পড়লে, তোমার রিঅ্যাকশনটা কি ছিল?
হ্যাঁ, অ্যাকচুয়ালি দ্য ফার্স্ট থিং শি সেড ইজ দ্যাট মোবনি তুমি এরম ধরনের ছবি হয়তো আগে করোনি, কারণ এটাতে একটা অনসম্বল কাস্টের দরকার। আমি মোস্ট
একটু নেটওয়ার্কে একটু ইস্যু হয়েছে। মোবানি আমাদের সঙ্গে আছে, মোবানির
যে
সাথে আমরা
ধরেছি
হ্যাঁ।
সেখানে মানে সে আই গেস অফ দ্য হোল স্ক্রিপ্ট।
হুম।
এবার আমাকে বললো যে দিস ইজ আ সাইলেন্ট ইয়েট আ ভেরি প্রোঅ্যাক্টিভ কাইন্ড অফ আ ক্যারেক্টার, এবং ও একটা হাউসওয়াইফ এবং খুব ফেমিনিন, ভেরি ফেমিনাইজড, ইয়েট অ্যাগেন ও কিন্তু খুব সাইলেন্ট ভাবে প্রোটেস্ট করছে। So that whole process was very appealing to me, firstly because আমি বাংলা লিটারেচারকে খুব সাপোর্ট করতে চাই। বাংলা লিটারেচার থেকে আমরা অসম্ভব সুন্দর সুন্দর গল্প পেয়েছি, যার উপর অসম্ভব সুন্দর মুভিজ হয়েছে। এবং এবং এই ধরনের গল্প যেখানে আমরা প্রাসঙ্গিক কিছু কথা বলছি এবং মহিলাদের হয়ে কিছু কথা বলছি, আর আমরা সত্যি সত্যি এখন উইমেন এম্পাওয়ারমেন্টের কথাটা আমাদের কানে বাজতে থাকে। What I think is most important at this age is to break the notion that a woman supports a woman. So in this movie, with Shubhecha's character, I got a very beautiful chance to project how women uh, are not essentially an enemy of another woman. Rather, she is supportive, she is kind, she is an eternal giver. And I could project that, and that really felt very, very comfortable because truly I felt that I was playing a positive character, which was incidentally the
নেটওয়ার্কে ইস্যু হয়েছে।
only completely positive. My point is that I feel it is best if we go to the cinema halls and watch a movie like this, because then you get the flavor of it.
True.
তো আমি সেই কারণেই রিকোয়েস্ট করব টু দি অডিয়েন্স টু রিয়েলি এনজয় দেমসেলস, কারণ এখন একটা টাইম এসে গেছে যে যেহেতু আমরা জানি যে সিনেমা একটা ভীষণ এডুকেটিভ মিডিয়াম,
হুম,
এবং এই মিডিয়ামের মধ্যে দিয়ে ম্যাক্সিমাম মানুষের জীবনটাকে ছুঁয়ে যাওয়া যায়, এবং হলে গিয়ে ছবি দেখা মানে একটা বিশাল বড় মানুষের সাথে মিশে মানে কিছু জিনিস ইনভাইব করে আমরা একত্রিত হলাম, এরকম একটা ভীষণ সুন্দর আহ সৃষ্টি হয় এনভায়রনমেন্টের। তো এই এনভায়রনমেন্টটা আমাদের জন্য দরকার টু গো অ্যান্ড প্রমোট সামথিং লাইক অ্যান অ্যান্টি crime movement,
হুম,
which is very much required in our country, because I think women should be safe, and in an educated society we need women to be safe because they are the softer side of the society. এবং I think in a society where a woman is safe, it really marks how much advanced we are.
হুম,
And in this age of technology, even today we are doing a Zoom meeting, so everything is happening at the speed of light nowadays,
correct.
so much faster nowadays. So in this very proactive, very progressive, very educative environment, it really is required that women are safe and we don't come across crime like rape anymore, and our society learns to understand that a woman's um, pride is something which needs to be protected.
একদম। এন্ড ফিউ ওয়ার্ডস ফর রেশমি দি, ওনার ডিরেকশনে কাজ করে কেমন লাগলো? এন্ড আমরা লেট সুমুত্র স্যারকেও পেয়েছিলাম এই সিনেমাতে, তো একটু যদি শেয়ার করে দাও মেমোরিজ।
Yes, I will have a lot to say about Reshmi Di, because I find her wonderful as a director. Firstly, because she's probably the only director who I've seen is so calm and quiet on the set. She's so calm. She's so cool. I call her a Thanda director. We've
বাহ!
had tremendous moments in the set,
হুম,
having fun. And I still remember that moment when I was sitting under the moonlit sky at Shankarpur, and we were talking to each other, and she was entertaining everybody so beautifully, and executing a direction without no screaming, no shouting, just conveying and making people understand. So my gelling and my bond with her is very special and very pure, and I think she and me is a wonderful team, and I enjoyed every single moment with her on set. And also I found that being a woman, she's a woman director, and I thought that
হুম,
supporting her or supporting a woman director, because we have very few in our industry right now, so I find that very
correct.
courageous and very, very brave. So I am quite much in awe of what she has done, and I am so proud to be in her team. And not only that, I have also had the golden opportunity of working with Soumitra Jetu in this film as well. And I miss him so dearly, because in my entire artistic life, Soumitra Jetu has a very pivotal position, because the only artist with whom I have done my maximum amount of films is Soumitra Jetu. So the day when he passed away, I just couldn't believe, and we had this kind of a very special connection and a very special bond. And আমি হেসে হেসেও সৌমিত্র জেঠুকে বলতাম একটা অদ্ভুত জিনিস, আমাকেও সৌমিত্র জেঠু বলতো যে যখনই নাকি আমি ফ্লোরে সৌমিত্র জেঠুর সাথে যেতাম, সৌমিত্র জেঠু একটা করে প্রাইজ পেতেন। তো এই কথাটা, এই
আরে!
যে সুন্দর মধুর কথাটা আমরা শেয়ার করেছিলাম, and I have so many wonderful moments with him that I truly miss him on this day when uh, you know, uh, just to expand and just to have him around was such a wonderful feeling. I felt so much like he was a very key person in my entire career, and now missing him very much. And I'm sure he's there looking at me right
একদম।
now, blessing. So I really wish him a pranam from my end. I know he's looking at me right now, and I feel very bonded with him even now. I don't think he is gone. I feel his energy, and I feel like he is he is such a pivotal person.
হুম, হুম।
We can never forget his contribution in cinema, and I think only after he has gone, his work has only started.
আমরা আমরা সবাই ওনাকে মিস করছি, আর আমরা সবাই জানি উনি আমাদের সঙ্গে আছেন আর থাকবেন। ওয়েল, দেবলিনাও আছে এই সিনেমাতে। ওনার ক্যারেক্টারটাও খুবই স্ট্রং।
Yeah,
তোমার কেমন লাগলো একটু বলো? একটু যদি আমি একটা স্ক্রিন শেয়ার
I
করছি। হ্যাঁ,
love
একটু বলো প্লিজ।
Devlina. Yeah, I love Devlina. I think I bond with her very well. She is firstly a very sweet. She's a very sweet human being. I think I gel with her because she's very sweet. She also, we have a very special bond where we executed a number of scenes with a lot of ease. We have this connection. We did it with ease, and
Wow.
whenever I'm with her, I feel like she is very much mentally with me. That
Okay.
is why I enjoyed every little bit of performance that I have done with her. Not only that, there was a comfort feeling with every bit of dialogue which we projected, or every bit. I think we bonded basically because we're all in the same age group, we're in the
Mm.
same momentum in life, and we're all together doing the same kind of ideology. So she is also a professor in my college, Robindra Bharati, in the dance department. I'm in the acting department. I teach illusion and acting, and she teaches dance. So we bond very well. And I think she is somebody who will do very well in future. I have lots of love to her, and I am so sad that I missed her marriage because that day I had a lot of work and I had shooting. But I take her as a sister of mine. I love her a lot. And I also love Rayati, who is wonderful. She and me have a lot in common. We kind of keep on making jokes.
Okay.
And Obishikda is also wonderful. And Sheila she is somebody who I have grown up watching. She was in my father's film Gili Gili Gay. So I've watched her evolution as an artist, and I really admire the strong artist that she is from inside.
Mm.
So there are so many characters who are projected so beautifully in the film, and everybody, all the people who have done the portrayal have done it so honestly, so beautifully. And I would like to mention Rahul also.
Mm.
Rahul and me come a long way. Rahul, when he was very much just into the industry, I know him from those days. And it was awesome, really, doing this project together because we could like relive those moments when he was in my farmhouse and he was listening to my lion Shomrat,
Mm.
roaring at the background, and he was afraid, and he was like,
Yeah.
"I hope you won't get with." And he's, I find, very talented as well. And we did so many jokes together, and we had such novel kind of fun, and it was a great bonding. The team itself was very very close knit, and we enjoyed ourselves thoroughly. Every single moment has been very remarkable and enjoyable.
Wow.
So I think it's coming across in the screen also, the bonding that we had. And I'm sure that the audience is very intelligent. They find that vibe. They know
Right.
exactly how the alchemy of the artists work, and that is most important. When you enjoy a work that you do, and it comes across on the screen in a
একদম।
very beautiful way.
টিম ওয়ার্ক যেটা আছে সেটা আউটপুট যেটা বেরিয়েছে সেটা সবার খুব ভালো লেগেছে। খুব দারুণ তোমরা সবাই মিলে খুব
Right.
ভালো অ্যাক্টিং করেছো। ওকে, আমরা এই সিনেমাটা নিয়ে কথা
Thank you.
বললাম কিন্তু স্টার্টিং এ যেটা আমি বললাম কি আমরা সবাই জানি কি আপ বহুত अच्छी एक्ट्रेस है। আমরা এটাও জানি কি তুমি খুব ভালো ডান্সার। আমরা এটাও জানি খুব ভালো তুমি পেইন্টার। অ্যান্ড আরেকটা ওয়ার্ড তোমার সাথে এড হয়ে গেছে। সেটা হচ্ছে তোমার নতুন বই নিয়েও একটা আমরা কথা বলতে চাই। রাইট নাও একটা যদি আমরা কথা বলি রেইনবোস
Right.
আনলিমিটেড নিয়ে। রেইনবোস আনলিমিটেড এর এক্সপেরিয়েন্স একটু
Yes.
শেয়ার করো। তুমি এই বইটি লিখেছো। একটু তোমার এক্সপেরিয়েন্সটা শেয়ার করো প্লিজ।
Actually, this experience is wonderful. My father has authored about 22 books, and he's a voracious writer. I've always had a lot of literature being dealt with in our family, and not only the case of magic, but then I've had so much of exposure to good literature, and I'm really thankful to my family for that. And my papa, he is a gem of a writer. Not only that, I also felt that as I was penning my first book, it was not really in my mind that I would be writing a book. But then Shubhankar Chattopadhyay of Rodrong, he approached me and he gave me this idea that he wanted to publish a book from me. And I said, but I'm no writer. I have absolutely no knowledge in writing, and I don't think I'll be able to do a good job out of it. But he was like, no, Mobuni, I can see in you a writer's self. And I said, that is that so, Shubhankar? Do you really see that? And he said that, yeah, I think you should write because I think it's there in your blood. And not only that, it comes very naturally to you. I've been noticing how you write posts on FB. I never knew that FB posts could be so so useful and
Uh,
fruitful. But then I found out that yes, a lot of people were reading what I was writing, and he suggested me about rainbows, which was, of course, we had a lot of meetings, a lot of discussions, and this was before lockdown, that we came up with the launch of the cover of Rainbows Unlimited. And the cover has been done beautifulally by the artist concerned. I am so thankful for his gracious work, because he's done Amitabh ji's book also, and Shah Rukh and the three Khans also. So I'm very happy to have his presence on the cover of my book. And Shorish Da is somebody I would really like to mention, and then Kanai Shahu also, who's taken the photography. The main content of the book is very inspiring, because this is basically an autobiographical scrapbook, and it's very emotional. And what I have actually written about is how a rainbow exists in everybody's life, how there are many different strains of colors which put your life into a very beautiful binding. And it's like this ethereal color which comes across in your life every single day. Only you have to realize that each is unique in its own way, and cherish and nourish each one of your own attributes in that pen. That's how you can evolve as an artist also. And maybe art is not that little, it is very diverse, very magnificent, because it exists in life in every single morsel and bit. Because even the things which we feel are not artistic have tremendous amount of creativity and abundance in them. So to be able to understand that is power in itself, and to celebrate life in all its colors is a very beautiful thing to do, because life is something which should be spent in laughter, merriment, happiness,
right.
positivity, good health, all kinds of brilliance has to be there around life, because it is in itself something like that, very intrinsically so.
Wow. Congratulations for your book, Rainbows Unlimited. ওকে,
Thank you
মোবানি,
so
আমি
much.
আমি একটু জানতে চাই, একটু আমরা এবার একটু প্যান্ডেমিক টাইমে একটু আমরা চলে যাই। এই যে প্যান্ডেমিক টাইমটা ছিল সবার
Mhm.
জন্য খুব চ্যালেঞ্জিং ছিল, এখনো খুব চ্যালেঞ্জিং আছে, এখনো খতরা जो है वो टला नहीं
Right.
है। কিন্তু তোমার থেকে জানতে চাই, এই যে টাইমের পর একটা তুমি পোস্ট দিয়েছি, যেটা তুমি বললে সত্যি তোমার ফেসবুকে যে পোস্টগুলো হয় আমরা সবাই ফলো করি। অ্যান্ড আমি একটা পোস্ট তোমার সাথে শেয়ার করতে চাই, আর তোমাকে একটু দেখাতে চাই।
True.
প্যান্ডেমিকের পর তুমি যখন
Hello.
হ্যাপি টু বি ইন
Ha-
ক্যাম্পাস আফটার এ লং টাইম, রবীন্দ্র ভারতী ইউনিভার্সিটি, তুমি এইটা পোস্ট করেছিলে। তো আমি খবর
right.
পেয়েছি কি তুমি যখন অনলাইন ক্লাসেস নিচ্ছিলে, প্যান্ডেমিক হয়ে গেল, লকডাউন হয়ে গেল, অনলাইন ক্লাসের ইলিউশন যে তুমি কোর্স করা, ইটস এ ডিফিকাল্ট কোর্স, একটা একটা ডিফারেন্ট কোর্স
Yeah.
এটা তুমি করাও। তো তোমার গলা ব্যথা hয়ে গেছিল, চোখ হয়ে গেছিল গলায় পড়াতে পড়াতে।
Right.
সেই ইনসিডেন্টটা একটু শেয়ার করো প্লিজ।
Actually, I had to speak so much and talk so much, and give lectures so much on for the students, because illusion is a very beautiful subject, but it is a practical subject. And I'm very proud to be the first professor as a course which my baba has crafted for the first time in the whole of the world. This is such a novel thing happening in Rabindra Bharati University. As a Kolkatan, as a Bengali, and as an Indian, I'm so proud that we have this affiliation and this step towards uh, magic as an art form in in our country, because India is the land of magic, and we should have had a course. And Bengal being the land of Jadoo, we needed a course very badly. And many people had approached my father, but then his heart was in his hometown, and then it materialized. And I was so happy that I was a student of Ravindra Bharati. My father had actually taken me to this um, wonderful place, and then slowly I became a student, and then I got a proposal from their end as to be teaching illusion also as a subject, which we incorporated. And this course is a very difficult course, because it needs practical implementation of the art, but it's very difficult to do it online. And because we have lots of students who are very interested to imbibe all of what I'm teaching on a particular time frame, And without the stage or the infrastructure of the college, over Zoom meetings, it was very difficult, and I had to give these long lectures. And the students sometimes, of course, it's their right to ask questions whenever required to, and I would answer them with my heart. And sometimes each one of those answers would be so long, and they were such lovely students, my batch, my first batch, my second batch. I give a lot of love to them right now, because they all did very brilliantly, and they worked so hard with me online. It was very difficult for them, and but they did excellently. And yeah, I did lose my voice, and my voice was choked for, I think, a week. I
Oh my
couldn't
God.
speak much, and I told them that, I'm not being able to speak because I've spoken so much that I'm suffering from voice loss. And my mom, incidentally, who has also been training some of our magic team members, because she's also intrinsically a magician. My eldest sister also, who is she's continuing our family legacy. And even my younger sister, we're so much inclined to magic. We are so much ingrained in magic, it's in our blood. We know that, the art of magic requires a lot of precision, and that precision is very hard earned. So once it had happened to my mother, that when she was training the girls on stage, she had lost her voice. And so she came in, with her experience, and she told me that, Mo, you just have to do one thing, and that is take care of your voice, because you've been speaking too much. And this happens when you want to explain things, and it's important in this craft of ours, because it requires a high amount of intelligence quotient. And once people cannot understand, you have to find ways of making them understand.
Yeah.
And online, it is definitely very difficult.
হুম, একদম ঠিক। ওকে, আমি তোমাকে আরেকটা ছবি দেখাতে চাই। আর একটা প্রশ্ন তোমাকে আমি জিজ্ঞেস
Aha,
করতে চাই। আমরা যদি ক্যারিয়ার নিয়ে কথা বলি মৌবানি, ফ্রম দি স্ক্র্যাচ,
aha.
যদি আমরা স্ক্র্যাচের কথা বলি, বদলার থেকে নিয়ে এখন অব্দি তোমার লাস্ট মুভি, ओवरऑल
Yeah.
करियर एक्सपीरियंस একটু আমাদের সাথে শেয়ার করো। कितना सफरिंग करना पड़ा, कितना सफर करना पड़ा इस सफर में?
Actually, let me open my heart to you. It has been a very beautiful journey for
वाह!
me. I don't think it's very wise to say that I have only suffered, I've struggled tremendously, and at the end of the day, because you are supposed, it's not supposed to be a cakewalk.
হুম,
It's supposed
true.
to be hard work, and it's supposed to be a lot of discipline. It's supposed to be a lot of education. It's supposed to be a lot of system and a lot of grammar, and then execution, and then basically putting your steps on the right place at the right time, all of it put together. But I'm so thankful to the Bengali film industry for treating me like like a very loved artist right from the beginning, because my first film, which was not a Bengali film, it was a Nagpuri film, had me playing a double role. And I think very few people, like my father, had only done one film called Gili Gili Gay, and
হুম,
that over there he had a double role.
হুম,
That was his own production. But then when I was selected by director Pintu Chatterjee, he's expired, he's no more. But then he suffered during lockdown. I have many of my directors have passed away. It was very traumatic, actually. But then this phase that we have gone through, this building up over a span of 33 films, I will say that, whether it was small budget, whether it was grand scale, whether it was trying, some of the technical team was not good. Some people trying out the casting couch, me trying to escape from it, trying to educate people that you don't need to go about these sort of attributes. I would say my journey has been something very much like a magical dream, because
वाह!
I have always found the love of people, and the bonding which the audience has shown me is stupendous. I'm so overboard by it that I want to come back many more times with maybe 100 more films, because I'm indebted to them. Not only that, I think my career started with a lot of blessings from Ma Kali. I'm a staunch believer of Ma Kali, and she blessed me with work which I wanted. And I think creativity has its own shape, form, color, and the moment it starts exuding from you, you don't have to treat it like a very methodical, pragmatic kind of a thing, but just enjoy being in your creative zone. And for me, I think more than earning money, more than the fame, the glitz, the glamour, the importance that people were giving me, it was the role that I was playing which dragged me every time to the screen. And I think it will do so till the day I um, cannot perform anymore. Maybe I'll be old and then my heart will still be in performance, but then I won't be able to physically pull. But then my heart will always be that of a performer who has loved the audience, and I'm so grateful for this span which the industry has given me. I love my industry, and I have absolutely. Sometimes I do feel angry because things may not be working out in the right light, but eventually I always see that everybody's heart is in the right place and everybody's trying. And I think it's this bonding between each other, this fellow feeling, this need to be next to one another, to understand one another, which can bring up the industry. We might be going through a rough patch now. We've all gone through coronavirus season, pandemic, Amphan, so many. We are going through financial losses this year also. But then through it all, I'm sure there is a way out, because if we all work together, creativity has no bounds. You don't need money for creativity. You just need to be yourself. So I think in film business also, we need to imbibe that self in us, and then the rest follows.
একদম ঠিক, একদম ঠিক। ওকে, আরেকটা ছবি আমি একটু দেখাতে চাই ফেসবুকে, যেটা তুমি আপলোড করেছিলে অন 22nd of February, যেখানে তুমি লিখেছিলে আই
हाँ
वांट टू डू अ मूवी लाइक दिस। ये चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस का एक एक सीन है या एक गाना है, যেখানে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি শাহরুখ
या
খানকে, দীপিকা পাডুকোন। কেন চেন্নাই এক্সপ্রেস কেন, আমরা সবাই জানতে চাই মোবাইল।
Well, I love different kinds of culture, and the way this particular song has been shown, I found very much the South Indian culture
ওকে।
put in this song, even though this was a Hindi film, and very beautifully put across. And I love the character which Deepika Padukone has played in this movie. I think I will be able to play this sort of a character very nicely. And because I understand this lady in the entire film, I have a sort of like a commercial mind also. I love dancing and I love colors. So I found this character and the entire depiction of the characters in this movie very sweet and very entertaining, because at the end of the day we have different types of movies. We have um, the commercial pot boiler where we have a lot of color and dance and songs. Then we have the very motivating kind of film where we have a subject which is very serious, and probably we will not have uh, those colors in, but a particular strain and a very important message. So I think for us to be really light-hearted and happy, we need once in a while a romantic comedy like this particular film. And I love this genre. I think I would love to expand on romantic comedy, because I feel like I'm very much built like that. I can do amazing comedy. And a lot of my directors, whoever has seen my work, they think that I can do comedy very well. And that too in strain with romance, I think it works very beautifully. And I love Charlie Chaplin. He is my favorite artist. So I think a lot of beauty can come across with the new kind of work which women can come up with, because we have always seen women bonded, and I think a lot is yet to be explored. So I am looking forward to much more fun and much more happiness in movies, because I think movies need not be always very heavy or sad to depict
Right.
something grand. It can also be done with a lot of color and form.
একদম, আমরা সবাই দেখতে চাই তোমার কমেডি সিনেমাতেও আরো বেশি করে আমরা দেখতে চাই। ওকে মোবানি, আমাকে একটা কথা বলো, এই লকডাউন যেটা পিরিয়ড ছিল, এই লকডাউন পিরিয়ডে আমি দেখলাম তোমরা সবাই একসাথে ছিলে, আমরা সবাই নিজে নিজে বাড়িতে ছিলাম। কতটা এনজয় করলে? আর আমি শুনলাম বাবার একটা তোমরা ফেসবুক পেজও তোমরা ক্রিয়েট করলে। সেই পেজটাতে আমরা খুব ভালো ভালো ইনফরমেশন অ্যাবাউট স্যারের ব্যাপারে জানছি, কি কি উনি করলেন, কি কি জিনিস ছিল, কোথায় কোথায় উনি গেছিলেন, কোথায় কোথায় উনি পারফর্ম করলেন, সবকিছু আমরা দেখেছি ওখানে। শোজ ইনফরমেশন, পুরোনো ক্রিয়েটিভস গুলো আমরা সবাই দেখতে পাচ্ছি। তো কি করে তোমরা এনজয় করলে? তোমাদের টাইম কি করে কাটতো এই লকডাউনে? আমাদের সাথে একটু শেয়ার করো।
Actually, this lockdown phase was golden.
Okay.
And I really enjoyed spending time with my family, because I think this is the first time in my entire life, post my childhood, that I could spend so much of time with my parents and my sisters. So it was very valuable for me, because we were all feeling like we finally had each other, because lockdown er aage porjont, like just before
সবাই ব্যস্ত
lockdown
ছিলেন, সবাই
started, my
ব্যস্ত ছিলেন।
parents,
হ্যাঁ।
yeah, my parents were in Mumbai for 6 to 7 months, so I hardly saw them. And finally they came back home, so it was like a reunion and we enjoyed ourselves. And this new avatar which my father has found on the net, as in, like, he's so tech savvy now. I'm so proud of
Wow.
him, because it happened, we could never have this time when I could sit and spend some time with him, teaching him the little attributes of Facebook. So
Okay.
us three sisters, we all did that during this time. And he's coming across as such a wonderful Facebooker, and he's enjoying himself, and I'm so happy for that he's relishing every bit of it. And then my mom joined also, so now we're like this very digitally active family.
क्या बात, क्या
So
बात
I'm
है।
enjoying myself, this phase that we had. And even during lockdown, we I still remember how we took our mobile phones and we did this wonderful preview of how we were spending our time in the house. And we just did shooting by ourselves by fixing bulbs and lights and whatever was there in the house.
Okay.
And it felt very powerful, like there is so much to be done just sitting at home. And we felt connected again, and it felt so happy. And I think lockdown was it taught us a lot. It gave us a time away from the busy time that we have to find ourselves. I myself, I think I started writing voraciously so many poems on FB. And it's been a wonderful time during lockdown. Of course, on one side, we've been facing dire situations which have made us sad. And there are my heart goes out to the people out there who have suffered tremendously due to food, due to calamities which are out of our control right now. We have no control over those things. I've tried to help them out. We've tried to reach out during that time to maximum number of people. Tried to do something for my community also. All of it put together, it was a time to become human again, I felt. And that is something which has really echoed as a, I think it's something which, like, I still remember my Baba Ma saying that we never faced anything like a pandemic situation in our entire lifetime. And there was a time when then they said that my father has traveled all over the world, so has my mom, so they have been exposed to a lot of different types of situations. But this was so new, this was so unprecedented and so challenging. And I'm sure that like we have waded through the tough times, we will also in future and make most of whatever is around us. Even though there is lockdown, even though we are in a financial crisis, even though people are losing out on their lives, we've lost out on so many exuberant artists during this phase that our hearts felt so weak because there was so much of bad news in the air. But even then, one thing is most important, and that is, not to break down, not to give up, to stand up and believe in the beauty of life, because life tests you, life asks you questions, and that's the beauty of it. We'll have to come across this, and we have to find ways of going across these hard times. And I'm sure that if we are all together, we will do it in a very wonderful way. And this is a time which taught me that family is so important, family is so dear to you. And you must hold on to all the loved ones, even friends. I believe friends are so important in your life, and I really am thankful to the beautiful friends in my life who have sort of guarded me, make me go through my tough times, said wonderful things to make me laugh, sing out. So it has been so nice. I've made so many new friends during lockdown. Previously, as a artist, I would probably talk to people less. I would be more controlled, and like, no, I cannot talk to everybody, because I must be maintaining this aura around myself of an artist. Artists should not be readily available. But then I found out that it is more important to be human to be an artist well enough. So this is something which I learned from the entire lockdown, that being a good human makes you a better artist. So being controlled does not help too much.
ওকে, মোবানি, আমার শোতে রবিবার কি শাম সিতারো কে নামে আমি একটা টাইম মেশিন দিই। আমি বাবাকেও দিয়েছিলাম,
Uh-huh.
তারপর দিদিকেও দিলাম, বোনকেও দিলাম, সবাইকে দিলাম, তোমাকেও দিচ্ছি। তুমি এই টাইম মেশিনে
Okay.
যেকোনো একটা এরাতে যেতে পারো, যেকোনো একটা টাইমে যেতে পারো। আর কারোর সাথে যদি কথা বলতে চাও, বসে কথা বলতে পারো। ইউ হ্যাভ 15 মিনিটস। তো কোথায় তুমি যেতে চাইবে? কোথায় গিয়ে কার সাথে 15 মিনিট কথা বলতে চাইবে? মোবানি আমাদের সঙ্গে আছে। আর হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ, শুনতে পাচ্ছ মোবানি?
Hello.
হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ,
শুনতে পাচ্ছ?
শুনতে পাচ্ছি। Actually, I think a call
নো
suddenly
প্রবলেম,
came
নো
in,
প্রবলেম।
so I
হ্যাঁ,
had
হ্যাঁ,
to
নো
cut.
প্রবলেম।
হ্যাঁ।
প্রশ্নটা হচ্ছে কি, তোমাকে যদি আমি টাইম মেশিন একটা দিই আর তোমাকে যেকোনো একটা এরাতে যেতে হয়, 15 মিনিটের জন্য তুমি যেকোনো একজনের সাথে কথা বলতে পারো। যেকোনো একটা লোকেশনে বা যেকোনো একটা জায়গায় যেতে পারো। সেখানে গিয়ে বসে তুমি 15 মিনিট স্পেন্ড করতে পারো। কোথায় যেতে চাইবে?
Actually, this is a wonderful question, and I think I will go back to the romantic revival time.
ওকে।
Because in a time machine I would like to go to the age of the romantic revival, and I would like to go and meet with Michelangelo, the painter,
হুম, হুম।
because I feel like you know, in this morbidity of life, we have lost out on romance, we have lost out on the finer nuances of life, and I think we need a big romantic revival right now for all of us. So what I'm going to do is that if I go get into a time machine, then I'm going to go back to that romantic time frame, bring back romance in, you know, heaps, bounds, and I don't know, maybe I'll also get married to Michelangelo and come back.
আরে বাহ! ওকে।
Yeah, so like so this is my plan, you know, my awesome plan, that I will bring back romance in life, you know, to make sure that everybody is feeling all breezy.
ওকে, এটা টাইম মেশিনের প্ল্যান হলো। হোয়াটস ইউর ফিউচার প্ল্যান? কি প্ল্যান করছো একটু বলো? এরপরে হোয়াট নেক্সট?
Well, I have lots of plans. I have my pageant coming up called Rupong Dehi, which is still being, coming up in a very beautiful way, slowly but steadily, because we are aware that many people will be, uh, a little restrained during the pandemic phase. So we're doing everything in accordance with time. And then, of course, I have another set of 6 movies releasing, which is very exciting. I have my project called Checkmate coming up. And I have my book launch, which I'm looking forward to for from Rodrong. Shubhangu Chattopadhyay, my editor, will be so happy to finally, you know, have that day when we will release Rainbows Unlimited. And apart from that, I also have plans of doing this movie, which Jay Prakashi has announced. So it's a bilingual movie in Hindi and Bengali as well, which will also come across as a web series. So there is a lot which is being cooked up right now, and I'm super excited because I think it's the time to correct all of what has happened wrong for 1 year, and just to forge ahead with not looking back, and to enjoy yourself. And yeah, definitely. And my parents are also saying that I should look for my life partner, which I'm trying to, and I'm sure I will find. And I'm sure there will be a time when the romantic revival in my life will happen in the real sense.
খুব তাড়াতাড়ি হবে, খুব শিগগিরই হবে। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ মোবানি আমাদের সাথে কথা বলার জন্য। बहुत ही अच्छा प्यारा सा ये एक কনভারসেশন था। আমরা বলেছিলাম কি 15 মিনিটে ইন্টারভিউ শেষ করব, কিন্তু মোর দ্যান 45 মিনিটস হয়ে গেছে। আমরা কথা বলেই যাচ্ছি। এখনো অনেকগুলো প্রশ্ন আছে, কিন্তু আজকের জন্য বাস ইতনা ही। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ মোবানি, रविवार की शाम सितारों के नामे আমাদের সাথে পার্টিসিপেট করার জন্য আর इस शो में आने के लिए খুব ভালো লাগলো। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। অল দি বেস্ট এন্ড ইউ আর দি বেস্ট। এরকমই ভালো ভালো কাজ করে যাও, এন্ড গুড লাক ফর ইওর আপকামিং 6 মুভিজ। অ্যান্ড তোমার বইয়ের জন্য কংগ্রাচুলেশনস, তোমার লাস্ট সিনেমার জন্য কংগ্রাচুলেশনস। খুব ভালো কাজ করছো, এরকমই আমাদেরকে এন্টারটেইন করে যাও। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।
Thank you so much. It was delightful talking to you, and wish you all the very best. And I just love my time being interviewed on this platform. May this platform grow